Okay, Tushar, if you're ready, I think it's about time. We're now
I'm
into the
ready.
last main section of the task force meeting agenda. We're going to spend a little bit of time talking about process next steps in the task force process, and then have an open discussion among task force members. Then we'll wrap up with closing remarks at that point, take another quick break, and then move into the public input opportunity and discussion scheduled for 4 o'clock. Yes, 4 o'clock. So at this point, I'd like to turn it over to Tashara Matthews of BOEM to talk about the next steps in the task force process.
Thanks, Eric, and good afternoon, everyone. I am, as Eric said, I'm Tashara Matthews. I'm Tashara Matthews with the Emerging Programs. I want to thank you all for attending today, and I really want to thank the presenters. We had a lot of information, great information that was shared today. So I'm going to talk about next steps. What happens next with this BOEM process? Next slide. So I forgot to add on this slide, the request for information is out as mentioned by Director Lepton and Regional Director Salata. The request for information comment period ends on July 26, 2021. Following that, we'll come out with a call for information. With that call for information, we'll determine those wind energy areas that Dave McDuffie had mentioned earlier today. Once we determine those wind energy areas, we'll have a draft area ID and memo that will determine those wind energy areas. We'll start that environmental assessment, the NEPA document, after the WIA is announced. We'll identify lease areas, we'll have the auction format, and we'll have a published proposed sale notice. The proposed lease sale auction is happening in December of 2022. So there's a lot that's going to be happening in between now and December 22, but today is the best time to start providing us those comments, not only from industry, but also from stakeholders as well. Comments of areas that you think we need to lease or areas that we don't need to lease. So now is the best time to start providing the information early on in this pre-leased opportunity time. So Eric, I'm going to turn it over to you. I think I caught us back up on our time.
Yeah, did you want to just share the key information contacts?
Yes, sure. So for any questions, you can contact me at tashara.matthews@boem.gov. For media inquiries, please contact Hillary McKee or John Philistrat.
That's right. Yeah. So these are important contact information for folks who want to communicate with BOEM and continue to follow up after this initial task force meeting. All right. Thank you very much, Tushar, for that.